Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. At my second grade, I was so dumb that my mom said, I'm gonna stay at school. And actually, my thought was trying to follow them. And I thought accidentally I walked away at school and go at my home. And I was going to the left side because I'm in the right side. When I walk, I accidentally fall because I got the car crash, and the driver is so thankfully nice and picked me up and go to my house, and my lolo and lola found me. But thanks, that's my own story.